Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be giving our Jeep a facelift. We're going to be installing a new grille. The grille was provided to us by American Modified, so thank you American Modified. You can check their website at americanmodified.com. They have all sorts of Jeep parts for all your Jeep needs. So let's get it unboxed and let's install it. All right. We have our rubber seal. Store it right there. Of course, our instructions. Your hardware. And it does have the clips, just in case you break the clips on your old grill. We have new clips. Perfect. The grill is packaged in a bubble wrap, so it does provide a nice protection. Nicely packed. This is how the grill looks like. It has that angry look to it. It's not painted, so I might paint it. I don't know. I'm still debating whether I should paint it or not. I'm going to see how it looks first and then take it from there. Now it comes with a light bar. I'm going to have to connect it. That's pretty cool. There you go. That's the light bar. All right, let's head over to the Jeep, take the old one off and put this one on. All right, so this is going to be an easy install. The grill has about 6 clips. There's one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So once you take those clips off, the top of the grill is going to be loose, and then all you can do is just stick your hands in behind the grill and basically yank it off. All right, so we're going to use a pry tool to remove the clips. And that's pretty easy once you have the pry tool. Oops. You just pull them off and they come out. There you go. We didn't even break one. You put them in my pocket. And now the grill is loose on top. There you go. It's that simple. Let's put this up here. Let's get the new one. All right, now we're going to install those little metal clips right here. And there's 8 of them. All you got to do is just push it down. Super simple. Super easy. You don't even get your hands dirty. And one more right here. So now we're going to put those plastic things that go on top, and they get secured with 2 small black screws. One. So that's that little plastic thing that connects to the top of the grill. It's for that extra clip that goes on top, on the corner. So let's do the other side. Now let's put the grill on and see how it looks. All right, let's put it on. Again, I have my winch, so it's a little harder to put it on. So we got a little hiccup here because I have an aftermarket bumper and I don't have enough room to clear this part right here. Now I have room in the back. It's just I can't squeeze this thing here. Same thing, see on the other side, it kind of went in, but I might have to cut a little bit of my bumper to make it fit. It's almost there. It might need a little crafting, but these clips, I just can't push them inside. So let me try, see if I can cut the bumper and if it's gonna fit. All right, guys, we got the grill in. All I have to do now is just put those little clips here, and everything worked out. I had to cut a little piece of my bumper right there on both sides so I can fit the grill. Now let's put the clips in. There you go. Show it to you. That's the clips. They were brand new, so they were a little hard to put in. That thing is on solid. Right, let me show you what else I gotta do. So I ran the wires right here to all my other cables. I have all my connections over here, and I'm going to run it to the switch, and whenever I turn on my mirror lights, the light bar is going to come on. Take a look at that. This thing looks amazing. The Jeep looks aggressive. I'm actually not going to even paint the I'm not going to paint the grill. I'm just going to leave it black the way it is. It looks nice. It matches the trim. Look at that. Let me show you how it looks without the lights on. Alright guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like the video, as always, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.